Today we will take a look at how to replace the screen of Samsung S10. The first thing is to go into the test menu and check if the touch is fully working. Everything looks good. Next, we need to get the device fully disassembled. Place the phone back down on the heating mat at 100 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Detach the back cover in the logic board. Remove the battery. Place the middle frame and screen on the separator at 100 degrees Celsius. As Samsung S10 features a curved screen, we need to get an entry point to feed the wire in. The first step is to grind the corner with a grinding pen. To prevent the OLED from damaging, please don't stay in one place for too long while grinding. It is advised that you add water to reduce the heat from grinding. After the corner glass is broken, we remove the residue shards. With the assistance of a blade, slowly slide the wire into the gap between the glass and the OLED. Please be noted that one part of the wire is at a 90-degree angle with the edge of the glass while the other part is at a 45-degree angle. As the glass is not broken severely, we still need to get another entry point. Then continue separating the glass with the same method. Once the glass is separated, we clean the OCA adhesive from the glass with N-hexane. As the cleaning is done, the next step is to separate the OLED from the middle frame. Start getting a gap with a blade. After the adhesive is removed, slowly separate the OLED with a thin film. Then apply the OLED onto the mold. Clean the OLED with dust-free cloth. Place the glass on the mold and peel off the protective film of the OCA. Align the glass with OLED. Then stick the mold to the laminator. As the lamination is finished, the screen needs to be debubbled. Take the screen out after about 10 minutes. It can be seen that the laminating and debubbling processes are done perfectly. Next, we install the screen onto the frame. Apply some adhesive to the middle frame and place the screen properly. Then press the middle frame and screen. After pressing, we put back the motherboard and back cover. Press the phone again. Turn on the phone. The touch is fully responsive. That's all for Samsung S10 curved screen refurbishment. Thank you for watching.